Hi guys, it's Mr.G again. If you have not watched our last few videos on how to get started on the piano, again, these are just beginner lessons to get you guys going. Please do go back and watch them because they're going to make a lot more sense when it comes to what we're doing in today's video. So today, what we're going to do is learn about chords. Now, the only thing I'm going to talk about today is major chords within the C major scale using the C major scale notes as the bass, or in music we call that the root. But it's just going to be major sounding. There's two different types of chords in music. There's major and there's minor, at least in this sense. Major means happy. That's how I always describe it to my students, is major means happy and minor means sad. Okay, so if you're ever listening to a song that has some kind of sad sounding sounds to it, it's more likely using minor chords. If you hear more upbeat, more happy songs, it's going to be more major. So the basic thing about chords that I want to tell you about are the chords we're playing today are triads, which tri meaning three. There's three notes in the chord. So for example, this first chord I'm playing is C major, which is made up of C, E, and G. Okay, so it's a triad because it's got three notes to it. Okay, so again, we're just using the first note of each of the C major notes in the scale as our base for these major chords. Just major chords. We'll do minors in a different video. So here we go. So C major is just C, E, and G, and we're going to play those together. It sounds like this. So go ahead and give that a try. Okay, our next chord is going to be D major, which is made out of D, F sharp, which is this black key, and A. Okay. And play those all together. Sounds like this. Very good. Next, we're going to go to E major, which is E, G sharp, and then B. Play those all together. Good. The next one is F major, which is F, A, and C. Play those all together. Good job. I'm going to go to G major, which is just G, B, and D. You're going to play those all together. Good. And then we're going to play A major, which is A, C sharp, and E. Play those all together. Good job. We're going to play B major, which is B, C sharp, or is it D sharp, sorry, and then F sharp. Play those all together. Good job. Sorry, I have a bar right by my wrist holding my camera. And then the last chord is going to be C, E, and G, just like the beginning. Very good. Again, just major chords. Let's go through that again slowly. And if you're not up to speed with how I'm playing, that's okay. Just practice this at your own pace. You can stop and pause the video and play through them as we go. So let's play that again from the beginning. So we have C major chord. We have the D major chord. Good. We have the E major chord. F major chord. G major chord. A major chord. B major chord. And then the C major chord again. Very good. So work through those major chords on your own. They're very simple once you get them. And try to go back and forth between chords and see how fast you can get. Three chords that I like to go back and forth between are C, F, G, F, and then back to C. Okay, that's called the chord progression. We're going to talk about that again in a different video. So practice those major chords. Rewatch the video if you have to. Pause it throughout just to follow along. And I will see you guys next time.